This video of MrBeast
offering people $100,000 to quit their job
has one of the most clickable thumbnails, but we tried to create even more clickable thumbnail today. To do this we have only 10 minutes. Can MrBeast keep the title of the most clickable thumbnail, or we will win and create something more catchy? This thumbnail looks pretty nice, but I would remove McDonald's from here because it's fast food, and advertising McDonald's, which is fast food, well, I don't recommend it, so let's just remove it from here and from here also. We don't need to advertising McDonald's. So removing objects from photos quite easy because we use just this tool. In painting brush tool, it's available in Affinity Photo. You just select the space which you want to remove and a few seconds and we don't have the object. Red color looks pretty nice, energetic and fresh. However, what if we like blue and we would prefer to change this t-shirt to color blue? So we just add HSL and select the red color here and just change to blue. Okay, so now we just have to remove the blue effect which we have here on the face, like this. Okay, so now we have, oh yeah, I'll also here, just a bit from here. Okay, let's add some emotion to this face by changing the shape of eyes. We'll do it by liquify pinch tool and we just increase the size of the eyes just a bit, and also maybe this part of the face. This person's more surprised. Maybe ears just a bit. No, it's quite good. Okay, brown eyes fit very well to this person, but let's change it to blue. So we just copy and paste and add some HSL to this. Maybe let's do green eyes, very nice. And we do the same with the second eye. For this eye we add the same effect, also green. Yeah, we can change the color so easily right now, but let's keep green, natural. This person is a bit different than in the previous photo, right? Okay, let's add some blushes. Just copy and paste to here and just add some blushes on the face. Just small, okay, like here and there. And we have more emotional vibe. The color should be connected with the face, more natural. So we can change it here, for example, multiply or linear burn. And it's more natural right now. We put more information on this face right now, definitely. Let's add new hairstyle to this person. We will just download this and paste to here. Okay, so sunglasses. Yeah, these could be nice. Let's just download it and copy and paste to the person. Change the size and we already have new style, new vibe of this person. Okay, 50% opacity and we have glasses. We can add a text here to be compatible with the title of the video. This video is about offering people $100,000 to quit their job. We can just put here the number of dollars. Usually numbers in thumbnails look quite catchy, so let's just put 100K and of course change the fonts, like for example this one. Regarding the color, there are so many people say different things, like for example that yellow color is really great for thumbnails because usually human eye notices yellow at the beginning and then the rest of the colors. So if we want to stand out from the crowd, we can use this yellow color. We can put this number here. We can also incorporate this number in the picture. So we can just remove this part right here, and it looks like this number is connected with the person. Usually YouTube thumbnails shouldn't have any information here on this bottom right corner, because usually we have the time of the video here. The information which we put here usually will not be visible. I really like when there is, for example, yellow border, which is very visible, and then we put black text here. As you can see, it's much more visible than if we put only yellow. Of course, we can add some outer shadow here to make it more visible, right? This yellow. Well, yeah, it depends on tastes and preferences, of course. I will keep both. You can download my source files later, which are available on my Patreon page. Let's add the next effect, some magic effects that could add this specific vibe to this picture. Okay, this magic light effects. Purple color, oh my, I really like it. Magic effect added here. And as you can see, we can play a bit with it. You can put this effect here to symbolize the power of heart. Small effect, but add more emotions to the picture. Of course, the color should be different to fit better with the t-shirt. There is also option in Affinity Photo that we can just select here the color and immediately it's changing. So red color fits to these lines on the t-shirt, so I would keep the red color. These caps looks a bit too dark, so we can lighten them a bit. Fresh. So this was the original photo of the person. Yeah, there is one trick which we can do with this picture also. I will show you in a moment. We just remove the background. Yep, just remove the background. Momentito. Okay, download. As you can see, without the background, so it means that we can easily add our own background here. I will remove all these layers right now. For example, if we want to really stand out from the crowd, you can add the background, which is really catchy, so everyone can see this yellow color, right? If we want to add more effects to this, and we just add maybe this one. Okay, just copy and we just paste. Okay, like this. So now we can see that this picture is really more visible than this one, right? Of course, it looks really nice, this thumbnail which already MrBeast has used, but this one, you see, it's really visible. And also we can add more effects to it. Light luminous efficacy designer special effects skill. This effect, you see, it's at here. Yeah, so here everything depends what actually you want to do, what kind of effect you want to achieve. Of course, it can be simple or more abstract elements. There are so many options. Okay, and now let's come back to our first image. What's important when you create some kind of thumbnails? Usually most of people, YouTubers, content creators have logo. And you know, sometimes people add signature to thumbnails, mostly here on this corner left bottom, but I think it's not necessary actually. Here, for example, we see that, yeah, this is MrBeast video and usually people know it. So yeah, most thumbnails do not have signature because signature is extra additional element to the thumbnails, so we have too much information here. And the thumbnails, yes, it should be very catchy, interesting, but we don't have to add too much on it. Usually, you know, less is more, right? So in this case, very important is to really focus on emotions, on thumbnail, to add some catchy colors so we can definitely notice the thumbnail and the video. But yeah, but of course there are so many possibilities, and so if you like to download all of these layers and just play a bit to learn even more, you can just go to my Patreon page and download it. In the next video I'm going to show you more photo editing tips and special effects. If you like, you can subscribe to this channel and like this video, because more is coming and you can learn more and also have fun seeing some photo manipulations. If you like to order a custom thumbnail, you can also contact me. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.